C&K's KSC series of sealed tactile switches are high-performance switches in small, waterproof packages. These surface mount switches are up to IP67 rated and boast a solid, tactile feel when actuated. The KSC series is available in a wide range of low-power performance levels. The contact bounce for all KSCs is less than or equal to 1 millisecond, providing a crisp, clean signal. For greater flexibility, there are 10 different products with a variety of actuator heights and materials, as well as both J-bend and G-wing terminals, making it easy to find exactly the switch needed for your application. C&K's KSC series of switches are ideal for industrial electronics, network infrastructure, embedded electronics, and any other product that requires a high-quality tactile switch.